This particular piece is called Aout, A-O-U-T, as in August, which is in French. It's called that because the backing is actually from a calendar with the word Aout on it. It's a double zine fold in that it's a large piece of paper folded into 8, and then I've adhered the pieces. You can kind of see. I'll have to glue this, but essentially it's a zine fold, but with 8 pages rather than the normal 6 or whatever. Extra number. It's using offcuts from Nicola's Offcuts, and each of the pages is slightly different. I used an orange Sharpie on the top to play with the edges, and I'll be sticking those together a little bit in the next little while. I used a turquoise Sharpie on some of the other edges just to pick up the colours that were already in the book. And yeah, it's on a piece of glossy, an old calendar from the calendars Bronwyn gave me 4 or 5 years ago. Slowly working through my paper stocks. That's it.